What's going on, people? So today I decided to make a video of this product that I'm using to clean the boat. It's more like to polish it, to make it shiny again. I love it, and I just feel like I should make a video to share this with you guys. So stay tuned and I'm gonna show you.
This is Carlos with CP Marine and the Small Boat Repair Channel.
So the first thing that I recommend is make sure like this dirt, especially me, because I work on my boat all the time, clean that very well. And I use for that magic eraser. See, this is for the fishing rods. Try to clean the most you can, because once you try to polish it, you don't want to polish over this thing. So this magic eraser works great. And this is, remember, for both the boats that the fiberglass, is still okay. It's not painted. It's original. If it's painted, it's not gonna work. At least I haven't tried, but I don't think so. This is more like to get the oxidation off and bring it back to shiny. My boat, last time I polished it, it was like over a year ago, and you know how that gets. Especially here with the heat. So let me go ahead and start doing it. So I did pretty much what I wanted to do in the boat with the magic eraser. Was by the engine bay, all this area here, and it looks much better. It was okay. Now that happened because the fiberglass is not shiny, not wax. You can see the oxidation in my fingers here. So after you get that clean, then is when you're gonna use the product. So let me show you how it works. Okay, this is the first product that you're gonna use. There are two different products. Okay, so but with the same brand, the same people. They pretty much work together. So this one is just a soap that you're gonna use to get the oxidation off your boat. It's very concentrated, so you gotta use a little bit. In your bucket. I already mixed one, and I forgot to make the video, but so it's just a little bit. So this is a second boat that I'm doing, with this, about the same. The other one was 20. This is a 20. This is a 19. So see, I still got a lot of it. I still can use probably 2-3 boats more. And so you use that, and you're gonna come with this brush here, and you're just gonna pass it through the whole boat. You get the oxidation off. I'm not gonna do the entire boat. I'm just gonna do the top part, the deck, but not. I don't want to do inside. Just gonna do the outside, the gunnels, and do little by little. Maybe next week I do another part. I don't have to do the entire boat right now, because it's still a lot of work. It's not as much as polish it with the machine, but it's still some work. So let me go ahead and show you how to do it. It's called simple. You don't have to put any pressure or anything, just simple. Okay, so I'm done using the sponge that they gave me. And now, after that, you gotta rinse it with water. Make sure you get all that oxidation out. And you gotta let it dry. Let it dry. Since it's very, very hot today, I'm sure it's gonna dry very quick. But let it dry, and then you can use the other product, and you will see the result. I left it like that wet for about 10 minutes, and with the heat you know, South Florida, this thing dry up like in less than 10 minutes. So now that I got it all dry, it's time to use the other product. Okay, so this is the other product. I would say the number 2 product that you gotta use. And this will be like the wax. You know, shake it well, like I say. I did one boat already with this. And it's almost full. It's maybe like about here. So check it good. This is what I got it. I got it from. It's about $80, but it's super worth it. And they bring you this as well too. See, this is the other boat that I use. You can clean this and reuse it. But I'm gonna use the other side, which is pretty new. What you're gonna do is put some of that product here. Not too much, and pass it in the whole boat like this, or whatever you want to polish. Very easy. You don't have to put any pressure or anything. Very easy everywhere. It's very easy to go in the corners, in the areas where it's hard to, you know, put a machine. And you're gonna do this about, I would say about 10 times, between 5 and 10 times, depending on the condition of your boat. And the more that you do it, the more shiny it's gonna be. All right, so let me do this and I'll show you later. I already did the first time, and you can see the difference. I mean, you see some spots that I miss here and there, but remember, you gotta do it like 10 times. But you can just see the difference already, how shiny this thing looks. Let's see the other side. I haven't done the other side yet. So you can see different this side. It's very flat compared to this side. So do it many times, you know, be patient, and you'll love the result. Listo. So as you can see, all I had to do is this, you know, clean and make sure it's clean. I just gotta apply this very soft, nothing crazy. I did it about, I don't know, 7 times on each side, and it was pretty quick. And these are the results. Look how beautiful. Yesterday I did the outside of the boat, and today I did the inside. And let me tell you, I'm very, very satisfied with the product. Look at the center console, how it looks like. This thing was really bad though. Very shiny. All that's there. So this is a great product to take care of the gel coat. I mean, it has to be original. I don't think if it's painted, I don't know if it's gonna work, but you can try. And I'm super happy with the results. So I hope this video helped you out. And if you have any questions, please let me know in the section down below. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching.